Or let me just make it very clear, I'm actually not sponsored to make this video.
Guys, check this out.
Yeah, that.
Free rewards app gives you instant access to great savings, prizes, and partner offers.
Hey guys, so welcome to a new video. You are actually joining me here in Lidl. Basically, I was looking for car insurance as it was due for renewal this month. I went on confused.com, I put my details in. There was a few quotes that I found for the one that's cheap, you know, typical brown thing. I'm only kidding. Works is
Introducing Lidl Plus.
once you buy the policy, confused.com, they actually offer you 20 quid for buying the policy with them. Now they actually give you a few places where you can spend. Now the one that I've chose was Lidl. I got that. I'm here now shopping, and I thought, you know what, I would share it with you guys. So if you guys don't know about it, or maybe you do, maybe bothered, I think you should give it a try. A shop like this, you can still buy a few things. I mean, £20 got us carrots, yogurt, mango, strawberry, butter, free range egg, this thing roll, and yeah, this stuff. Brilliant, right? Just look at it, confused.com. Do make sure to share this video so people know about it. Who doesn't? I think it's a great way of buying car insurance. When you get something back, why not? So thank you very much for watching, guys. As always, like, share, subscribe, all that thing, and I will see you for next time. Goodbye. I mean, there's plenty of things to choose from.